Hello everyone, it's Keisha with Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my classic size happy planner. And let me just move that out of the way. I am going to be planning in my dashboard section for the week of April 18th through the 24th. So I'll go ahead and take those off the disc. Now I've pulled quite a few sticker books today. Instead of just pulling one or two, I have actually pulled 4 different books. I'm looking forward to using these florals, and I found them in these books, or I think I found those. Then I found them here. And as well, I've pulled these for the box colors, and and these 3 are Happy Planner, but I also pulled this Rainbow Boxes book from Mojo Jojo Plans, so I'll probably be pulling from this one as well. So I'll go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that's it. I thought it was going to be really easy to use those big florals, but it was not. These are some of my favorites, and I had not used, I don't know if I've used these before, but I'm not really sure how I'm feeling about this one, so maybe it'll grow on me throughout the week. So let me pull my pins for the week. I really don't even know what I would be using with this one. I have nothing in mind because of those colors. Maybe I'll just pull, well, that's not it. I'm not gonna pull that one. Let's see. Well, maybe I'll use this one. This is Yuletide. The green is throwing me off, but that's about the closest one that I have right offhand. I could just pull one of my pinks. I don't know. Let's see. I'm just not sure, guys. I'm not sure about this one this time. So I'll just leave it with the Yuletide. I could use Chandelier since it's all gold. So we'll just go with those two. So, yeah. All right, so that's it, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.